Friends, today we are going to see our general science first lesson, the living world, adaptations and classification. In previous lecture, we have seen about what is meant by diversity, and also we have seen variety of animals like aquatic, terrestrial, amphibian, reptilian, aerial, etc. And also we have learnt about what is meant by adaptation. What is meant by adaptation? Adaptation is nothing but gradual changes occur in body parts. Gradual changes occur in body parts and also in behavior of organisms which help them to adjust to their surroundings. Such changes are called adaptations. They take place over a long period of time. Here, picture of desert place and animals which we can see, also animals and plants which we can see that shown in this picture, and how that gradual changes in behavior and also in body parts in them occur, that is meant by adaptation. Now let's see next point, adaptation in plants. Observe and complete the chart. Include other plants from your own region too. That is will be your homework. Now what is given, we will discuss over it. Plant: lotus, cactus and banyan. In first column that three plants name are shown, and first, for example, they have given lotus. About lotus, what is habitat? Habitat means where we can see these plants. Also habitat means the place where we can see that plant as well as animal. Lotus, habitat, aquatic. Type of root of lotus, fibrous. Characteristics of leaves of lotus, large and round with waxy layer. Wax means mena sarke, waxy layer. Characteristics of stem, hollow and flexible. Hollow means just like empty, also means poked, and flexible. Now second one, name of plant is cactus. Its habitat means we can see cactus mostly in desert. Type of root, deeply penetrating means root of cactus having ability to penetrate deep in soil. Characteristics of leaves of cactus. Cactus cannot see leaves. We cannot see leaves to cactus. And characteristic of stem of cactus, thick, fleshy means fat, green stem. Thick, fleshy, green stem we can see to cactus. Then third point is that banyan tree, banyan plant. Habitat of banyan, we can see that banyan plant on land. Type of root of banyan is some in soil, some aerial. Big and green, that is the characteristic of leaves. Characteristics of stem, hard and tall. Hard and tall. Now this is the adaptation. This is about adaptation in plants. Then means which type of a plant having which type of a habitat, which type of a root, which type of a characteristic their leaves show, and which type of a characteristic of their stem we can see. Then next point is that adaptation in aquatic plants. Now that is one work given to you children. Visit various water bodies such as a river, brook means odhe, pond, lake in your surroundings. Nowadays only you may understand it. What differences do you observe between terrestrial and aquatic plants? What differences do you observe between terrestrial and aquatic plants? Now, terrestrial plant. Terrestrial plant means nothing but which grow on land. Terrestrial plant means which grow on land. Second point is that the roots are underground. The roots are underground. For example, shrubs. Mango tree also means grow on land and their roots are under the ground. Just like mango tree also. Shrubs means zurpa. Just like that. Aquatic plants. Plants which grow in water. Their roots are have spongier leaves. For example, lotus. Lotus plant, that is aquatic plant. Means terrestrial means which grow on land. The roots are underground. For example, shrubs or mango tree also. Another trees are also examples of terrestrial plant. Aquatic plants which grow in water. Their roots are have spongier leaves. For example, lotus. In this way, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants differentiation. In this way, we have learnt about what is differences do you observe between terrestrial and aquatic plants. Means they grow terrestrial plants grow on land and aquatic plant grow in water. Just like that you may see. Before going to see second page, we will see about hard words. Before this lecture, I have given so many hard words to you. Once again I am repeating them. For example, to submerge means to cover completely, लपवणे. Entirely, all, पूर्णपणे. To anchor, to fix firmly. These words why I am repeating? Because depend on all these words our next page information we will see. That's why once again let's see. To anchor, to fix firmly means स्थिर करणे. Waxy layer, covered with wax, मेणासारखे दिसणारे. Slender, slim, बारीक. To withstand, to hold, प्रतिकार करणे, टिकणे. Petiole, lipstalk, the slender stem that support the blade of a leaf. देठापासून जो भाग असतो तो petiole. Date. To trickle off, to drip, ओघळणे. Rot, to waste, कुजणे. Fibrous, having fibrous, तंतूसारखे दिसणारे. Now next hard words. Prevent, stop from doing something, थांबवणे. Accumulate, collect, साचणे. To withstand, to hold, टिकणे. Region, area, प्रदेश. Shrub, bush, झुडूप. Herb, medicinal plant, औषधी वनस्पती. Climber, climbing plant. You know, to climb on tree, झाडावर चढणे वगैरे. To climb up, लहानपणी तुम्ही ॲक्शन केलेली असेलच. In the same way, climbing plant that grow up over other plant. Vine. Next, vine. Vine means what? Plant with a weak stem that derives support from climbing surface. द्राक्षाचा वेल. द्राक्षाचा वेल इमॅजिन केला की वाईन म्हणजे काय तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. वाईन म्हणजे काय? प्लांट विथ अ वीक स्टेम. Plant with a weak stem that derives support from climbing surface. Next,